Let's make this goat meat pepper soup. It was so nice. Okay, I just don't know how I should describe the taste, but I would say it was very tasty, palatable, and very nice. If today is the first time here, hello, it's a great honor to meet you. My name is Lena, and welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. Let's break this. So I have with me here my onion. I'm just going to peel off the skin and then we'll continue. My returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always spending some time with me. I don't take it for granted. Okay, I am so grateful. So I have my pepper as well here, and then I have my garlic, I have ginger. I will just go ahead and then peel the skin of the ginger and then blend everything you are seeing on the screen. And when I'm done blending it, I will get back to you. Thank you. So if you're new here, we do easy recipes here, so please do not make it the last time of visiting. Subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. Okay, they don't take money. We are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes on TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube short. We share short recipes. If you want the recipe in Chi language, please check us on YouTube at Recipe Goddess. Now I am done prepping everything. I will just go and blend them and then I will be with you shortly. The next ingredient I'm going to introduce to you is my goat meat. Okay, I have washed it very well or cleaned it very well, and I am just going to introduce this in my cooking pot. So let's go and then start cooking. I have with me here my fresh tomatoes. I placed in the freezer yesterday. Okay, just yesterday. And now my goat meat is in the cooking pot. I've added all the ingredients we blended earlier, and then I added my natural herbs and spice blend, my goat seasoning, and then salt. So we are just going to allow this to steam in its own juice. Okay, we are not going to add any water to it. When we are done with it, we will get to the next procedure. After 2 minutes, the meat is already looking so good. I'll give it a stir and then make sure that the seasoning will enter each places very well. So with this soup, we do not want it to get it very colorful. Okay, yes, I wanted to get it like brownish or maybe like light black some way. Yes, so we are not going to add any tomato paste to it. At first I didn't want to even add the fresh tomatoes. I wanted it to get the color just like this. Okay, yes, but later I changed my mind and decided to add the fresh tomatoes. So I've blended the fresh tomatoes. I will just go ahead and add it to the goat meat. I strained it very well before adding it, and that is what you are seeing on the screen. Should you want to add tomato paste, you can go ahead and then do so, but we are not going to add that into this video. I rinse the bowl and then add it to the soup, give it a stir, make sure it becomes uniform. We don't want the tomatoes somewhere and then the stock will be somewhere, the meat will be somewhere. So you make sure you mix it very well and then allow it to be on fire till you are about to add the next ingredient. Now it has been on fire for some time now, and this is how it looks. It looks so delicious, and this is the perfect color I am looking for. As I said earlier, if you want it to look a bit reddish, go ahead and then add your tomato paste or more fresh tomatoes. Okay, at this moment I am not going to add any seasoning to my soup because we seasoned the meat earlier and we don't want it to become salty. After it stayed on the fire for some few minutes, this is how our soup is looking, and oh my goodness, it looks so good. So at this moment I've added some pepper and then bell pepper to it. I will allow it to release its flavor. And then we are going to need the pepper if you want to mash it in the soup. Some people want their soup very spicy, whilst other people do not want it that way. So those who want it spicy, they are just going to take some of the pepper and then mash it in the soup. We are just going to allow this to be on fire for some time. I tasted for the salt, and at this moment the salt was okay and perfect. So make sure you taste yours. If it is not okay, go ahead and add your salt, and then you are good to go. Our soup is ready and looks so delicious. So they enjoy this just like that without adding any fufu. Okay, that is why earlier I told you I wanted it to be to prepare it without tomatoes, but later I changed my mind. Our soup is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Until I come your way next time, please do not forget to take good care of yourself. Eat healthy, love yourself first, and then do good. See you in the next one. I love you. Bye bye.